Hi guys, here we've got Motorola Moto E22 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So at first, just open your phone dialer, go to keybar and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got the whole device information. Tap on OK to exit. And then there is also a second panel in which those numbers are stored. So at first, open the settings, go to About Phone, and here under IMEI number you've got both IMEI numbers, and then under hardware information you will be actually not here, sorry for that. Under model you will be able to find a serial number as well. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.